So we are replicating and cutting this moulded gallow bracket on site. This is how we done it. Beautiful. 2 moulded gallow brackets. And the finger, nice. Why are you replacing them? I know that this is going to be perfect to transfer that shape onto this, Right, let's mark this up, baby. That's lovely. That is bloody gorgeous. That's the money shot. I've left this one long just because this is for the left side and I don't actually currently have the right side template. That might just be like a couple of inches bigger, so I'm just giving myself a bit of play tomorrow. I'm going to leave that long, so I'm just going to continue that groove there, and if it does need to be longer, that'll just have to be made good. Give myself a bit of bloody tolerance for a change. Again, template. Save that for the other side. Hoover on. No battery on charge, that's never good. Full of sawdust, just the way we like it. Right, that's adjusted now. We've cheated that a little bit to its line. And we just hope this 6mm bit don't snap on us. So now, this is our new template. You see? That bearing's going to touch that bottom edge. And then we're just going to lock that off there like so. Nice and slow. And just please don't snap. You see? Just like that. Beautiful. Right, on to the other side. Again, this is a bit freestyly. Yeah, we're just going to raw dog that through. Last little pass. We're out a bit. You've been so good to me. Please last one more cut. I'm begging you. Nice. Right, let's lock that off. This clamp, I'm loving this clamp. Boom.